Hi there guys, and welcome to Dino's Vault once again. And from now on I'm gonna start sharing some of the lip smacking and mouth watering food recipes that won't require for you to go out on a quest to find the right ingredients, nor would it take ages for you to prepare. My recipes are really simple and contain very commonly used ingredients that might already be available at your household. So buckle up and get ready to explore a whole new world of taste with me. So today we're going to prepare something called crispy fried chicken bundles. These delicious and irresistible bundles of joy carry all the flavors, pack all the spiciness, and are nice and juicy on the inside and incredibly crispy and crunchy on the outside. So let's check what are the ingredients that are needed for us to get started. You need boneless chicken, around 250 grams, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, turmeric powder, then 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, or you can 1 egg thoroughly whisked. You need breadcrumbs, or you can use corn flour, alternatively according to your choice. 1 tablespoon of lime juice, freshly cut green chilies, mint leaves and coriander leaves, and you would also need around 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So these are the key ingredients to come up with these chicken bundles of joy. And the procedure: just take up the chicken and mix the ginger garlic paste, the freshly chopped green chilies, and next go the coriander leaves, then the mint leaves, and then the lime juice, around 1 tablespoon or more according to your taste. And you can add all the spices including salt to the taste that you are used to. Some people eat more salt, some people eat less, so you can add salt to your personal taste. And we just mix the entire thing up thoroughly, and then we'll leave it just aside for around 12 to 30 minutes for it to thoroughly marinate. And then you just take the chicken pieces that are marinated, dip it in the egg batter, and then roll it in the breadcrumbs, and make sure it is thoroughly coated with the breadcrumbs, because breadcrumbs are the ones that add the crunchiness and the crispiness and form the outer layer. So you may or may not use the corn flour, that is up to your personal choice. I believe using breadcrumbs alone would suffice. And as you can see, leaving the chicken aside for 20 to 30 minutes ensures that all the flavors and all the spices really blend into the chicken, and make sure it reach right to the core of the flesh. So that is really crucial. You can just heat the oil up adequately, and make sure it is thoroughly hot before you fry these chicken, because if the oil is not hot enough, then the chicken would not be cooked properly. So the oil needs to be heated for adequate amount of time before making these. So this is the finished product. You see it nice and brownish, and they come out really well. You can garnish them with the coriander leaves, green chilies, and mint leaves. And as you can see, you can just open it up, and you can see it is nicely cooked, nice and juicy, and smoking hot. So this is one of the ideal snacks, and really easy to prepare, won't take much of your time, and will be appreciated and applauded and enjoyed by one and all. So I just hope this brief recipe was useful. You can stay tuned for more action right here at Dino's Vault. You can check more recipes at my website. These are the ingredients involved. You can find lots of useful stuff and videos on my channel and on my website, so feel free to go through my playlists. So until next time, this is Dino saying ciao. Thanks for watching, take care, and God bless.